Okay, so I've downloaded those files from the national map, and I put them in this folder here to keep them organized. So let's just go through and uncompress each of these archives, and I think it's good to put them into their own folders. Okay, so now I've got them all uncompressed. So if we look, this first one here, this is the DEM. It has a bunch of information in here which you can look at. Even has a thumbnail here. So and then in here are our air photos, which are these JPEG 2000 files. They're and then some other information about them, including these SHX. This is probably the outline rectangle, and then here's the other one. So let's go in now to ArcMap, which I have open. I'm just going to add these guys, and I've already connected my folder to the desktop. If I didn't see this desktop directory, I could click here to connect a folder and navigate to it. And so those are in this demo folder. So start with the DEM. Looks like this is the one I want. Now what it's doing right now is it's building a pyramid, which just means it's building some helper image files for viewing the data at multiple resolutions. That lets ArcGIS run a bit fast. Looks like it gave me most of central Arizona rather than just the little piece I had highlighted, but I think we're okay. Let's add the air photos. JP2 is going to be what you want. It's the JPEG 2000, so it's a kind of a newer file format that'll give us, kind of can handle that high resolution data. You see it's just a tiny little image there. We can right click on it, zoom to layer, and there is the area Desert Botanical Garden, or the Desert Botanical Garden and Amphitheater Buttes in Papago Park. Very nice high resolution data. Can zoom in here. See the Amphitheater Butte there. Nice conglomerate, and the amphitheater itself. So let's zoom to layer. Let's add the other one. So we can see that there's not a big difference between the two images, besides a little bit of the color. So I can sort of toggle on and off the two. So this upper one, it looks to me like in here maybe the date 2012-09, 2010-09, not sure. Let's right click on it, properties, and go in here to see if there's anything in key metadata. Nothing there, but in the source we can see 6,000 by 6,000 columns and rows, 3 bands, 25 centimeters per pixel. That's pretty nice and high resolution. There's the extents, the projection, and I don't see in here any information about when it was taken. So the final thing we can do maybe then is go in and look here and read. We can read that the file naming convention. So looks like we have some information about the position, and then YYY is the year and month. So we were right. So 2012-09 would be when that particular image was taken.